is the remix. Who the hell has control of that damn smoke machine?